Introducing clean code.
The clean code is more than just code that works. It refers to code that is easy to read, understand, and maintain. Clean code helps teams collaborate better and reduces the chance of bugs. By following certain principles, programmers can write code that stands the test of time and makes future improvements much easier.
Why does clean code matter?
Writing clean code saves time and money. Code bases often grow and change as projects evolve. Clean code means less time fixing errors and hunting for logic bugs. Teams can quickly onboard new members since the code is more understandable. Ultimately, clean code leads to greater productivity and reliable software.
Key principle: clarity and simplicity.
One core principle of clean code is clarity. Each function, variable, and class should have a clear purpose and name. Avoiding complexity and writing simple solutions helps others and your future self grasp the code's intent quickly. Strive to make every piece do one thing well and avoid clever tricks that confuse readers.
Minimize repetition.
Don't repeat yourself. DRY is a central clean code principle. Repetitive code can introduce inconsistencies and errors. Instead, use functions or classes to capture common patterns, cutting down on duplication. This approach makes it easier to update logic later, since changes need to happen in only one place.
Readable and self-documenting code.
Clean code tells a story without requiring lots of comments. Use meaningful names, consistent formatting, and logical structure. Aim for code that anyone can read and quickly grasp its purpose. When code clearly shows what it does, teams can focus more on improving functionality and less on deciphering logic.
In summary, the value of clean code.
Clean code leads to happier teams and more robust software. By focusing on clarity, reducing repetition, and making code self-explanatory, programmers set the foundation for success. Whether you're new to coding or an experienced developer, these principles help every project run more smoothly.